Go, God, go, go. That's a big fish. That's dead. Oh my God. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with me, DYang. So as you guys can see here today, I'm out on the river. I'm really excited to come out here. It's been a while since I've done some bass fishing. Don't know what to expect. We're gonna see how it goes. Again, I'm gonna focus on big baits, swim baits, maybe some poppers, some big spooks. I am out here with my boy Danny, so you guys will see him here in the video. And yeah, I don't know, it's beautiful. It's still early in the morning. We have a lot to do, we have a lot to go, so stay tuned. Again, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, hit that thumbs up because it really helps me out and I really appreciate it because you guys are awesome and I love you guys. How it's gonna go, but it's gonna be fun. Stay tuned. Got him, got him. That's a nice one, dude. I told you they're over there. Just keep popping. It's a pike. It's a pike. Oh. What the heck?
Can you help?
Nope, I got him. Jeez. I have never caught a pike here. Got another one. See? Yeah, I'm telling you, they're over there. I'm just casting where you're casting. That's a nice fish. Oh, jeez, that's a big one. That's a big one. I tell you, I'm just casting where you're casting. That's a nice bass. Yeah, they're over there. Keep casting over there. Bro,
I just want to see you fight it.
jeez. You see? Oh my gosh. Dude. Just a 2-pounder, but they fight like 6. Oh my, no, not to a tree. Look at them. Dude, they're so fat. Oh my gosh. Look at that. They're fat as heck, bro. It's insane. You guys see that? Jeez. Yeah, guys. Just beautiful, beautiful river smallie. Off he goes. Got him. Yep, that's a nice one too. Oh jeez. Oh dude, oh jeez. Gosh, look at him go. Oh dude, he's gonna break my rod, bro. Dang. Trying to keep him down so I keep him quiet. Dang, look at him go, guys. This is why we come here. Exactly why we come here, guys. Oh, yeah. Jeez, thanks. Thanks a lot. All right, it's 3 fish already. Wow. What? Got another one. Oh my gosh. Bro. Oh, jeez. That's a nice fish. Oh, dude. Whoa, bro. Okay. That's a nice fish. Look at this, guys. I can't find him out here because my hands is wet. That's a nice fish. Dude. They just fight so hard. Look at this, guys. I'm trying to get a good view for you guys. That's why I'm holding the rod weird. That's another nice fish. Thank you, 30-pound floral. Oh man, look at this. Amazing fish, dude. All right. Yeah, on a swim bait. We are only like 30 minutes in, and I've been crushing it with this clown color Magslowl right here. 5-inch. I got it from Hooked Up Tackle. So big shout out to them. Let's see if it focuses what it looks like. Like, who would have thought this color will work? Insane. Wow, and look at this, all torn up. Cheese, man. Cheese. So yeah, it's been good this morning. We're gonna keep going. So they're popping. We're gonna keep going. We gotta go find some bigger fish. Stay Stay tuned. Whoa, whoa, I got him. That's a big dude. Came out of the log. Dude, it came out of the log, bro. Cast over there. Follow up. That's a nice fish. Look at that. Oh, dude, it's a giant. I mean, for this river, yeah. Oh, watch out. Oh, dude, that's a big one, bro. I'm gonna let him run. Look at him go. Oh my God, look how hard they fight. Just look at the amazing power on this thing. Oh, back hook. Oh, that's a nice fish. Come to Poppy. He's not done yet. Gotta be very careful. These guys are just so mean. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's a nice 2-pounder for sure. Wow. Look at that thing. Oh, that's insane. He just crushed it on the 6th Sense splashback, guys. Look at that. Fat as heck. Wow, look at that. Beautiful fish, guys. I'm not exaggerating, guys. Those fish are easily 2+. They're so girthy and so big. It's amazing. Got him. There we go. What happened? Got him. He's there. Only took a couple try. He's a small guy. He's so mean though. See, it wasn't crazy. They are so mean. Look at that. Wow. Fish are beautiful. Like me. I love how girthy they are, man. It's insane. Summertime smallie babies. We are crushing them today. We're looking for that big one. Just ate that Magslowl just like that. Wow. There you go, Danny. This one's for you. Look, he got bit. Alright, baby. See ya. This sun is hot. Go, go. That's a big fish. That's dead. Oh my gosh. What is that? Oh, dude, it's a giant. That's the guy. I don't know. Come help. Hey, that's the guy. That's the big pike, dude. Whoa, dude, the rod almost fell out of my hand. I don't know. Could be a muskie too.
It's probably that thing that
broke me off last time.
Yeah. What is it?
Oh my gosh.
I'm scared. What is it?
Bro, it hit me so hard.
What is it?
It's Defro. It's a muskie. I think it's a muskie. Oh my gosh. I'm trying not to.
You got this. Oh my god.
It's huge, bro. Oh, it's bleeding.
Oh,
dude, it inhaled it. I think it's either a giant pike or a muskie. Oh my gosh. We got no plier, huh?
No. I lost mine.
Whoa, it's a catfish! Whoa! It's a freaking giant catfish! What the? It's so random. There's catfish in the river. Oh my god. He didn't hit. Oh, how the heck are we gonna get this out? Here.
Oh, shoot.
Whoa! Oh my god. This is huge. What? Impossible! Whoa. Ooh, I don't want to touch the bottom of his body. Dude, okay, let's go to the shallow over there. Wow, that thing's like 10 pounds. Dude, this is insane. I caught a freaking giant catfish, and like his stomach is like solid. So he's been eating a bunch of crap in here. Dude. I thought we had, oh my bad, I hit Danny with the rod. Off of this, right here. Off of that thing. Insane. Look how big it is. Just get a far shot of it, like. Wow. So look at that thing, guys. Off of the freaking Magslowl. Oh, look how big it is. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and work like do our best to get the hook out and get it back in the water. So chill out, okay? Beautiful. One last look. There it is, and off it goes, okay? Giant channel. Oh, there he goes, it's twitching. It's gonna go. Holy cow, man. He's good, yeah, he's good. He'll go. He or she will go. Yep, there you go. That was a long fight, that's why. Yep, it's going.
Peace.
There he goes. Off he goes. That was crazy.
Oh, you didn't replace it?
No, this is a new hook. Yeah, I got this in the package. It's new. Whoa, right in front of me. Whoa, jeez. Right in front of me, dude. Whoa, jeez. Oh my god. Look at that. Yeah, look at that.
Oh, dude.
Guys, dude, this is a nice male. Look at that. Look at that fish, bro. Oh, my tail. No.
Hey, really?
Yeah, it's okay. Jeez, man. Tail's gone. So this guy's done. It's insane. All right, it's off. Peace, bro. All right, let's see what we can mess around with again. Let's go with this white one, man. We can always go with this white one right here. Go big or go home, right, guys? You already know we can't have enough mag draft around here. We can't have enough mag draft around here, boys.
Oh, here, you suck. We didn't bless your ass.
Yep. Oh, God, God.
No way.
Yep. It's a nice one. Come out of nowhere. Jeez. So mean, bro.
Oh my god.
Come here, baby. Jeez. Look at him go. Look at him go. It doesn't stop. They just never stop. I love this mag draft so much. It just makes smallmouth fishing that much more fun. It's the fact that they just crush it. Like, they just hit it so hard. It's insane. Man, I love it, bro.
I like how long that was, right?
Dude, the rest are pretty good. Oh, God, God. He was in there. I didn't even like retrieve, dude. Just let the water move the tail, you know? Just ate it. Jeez. Alright, little guy. Got one. Nice. I knew he was there somewhere. Holy cow, dude. That's a nice fish. Jeez. That's a nice fish. Oh, dude, it's a real nice fish, actually. I knew he was there, man. Oh my god. Woo-hoo-hoo. That's so cool. Look. He's still dragging it. Come here, boo-boo. Look at that. Alrighty, guys. This might be the last fish of the day. Yes, I was recording. Look at, dude, it's so long. It's at least like 18, 19 inches. Look at this. It's super long fish. Alright, man. That was an amazing day. Wow, look at that fish. That's so cool. See you, buddy. Bam! Let's go! We're eating chicken tenders. If you guys haven't yet, try out the Culver's spicy chicken tenders. It is amazing. Wow. But anyways, as you guys saw in the video, I think we did pretty good, right?
You did.
Yeah, we caught a couple of smallies, nothing like big. I think one was pushing like almost 3 pounds. Maybe it was 3 pounds, but nothing crazy like the springtime.
That catfish, though.
That catfish, yes. Dude, oh my gosh. As you guys saw in the video, that catfish almost took the rod right out of my hands. And I thought we had a giant muskie or a pike or something. That was random as heck. It's getting hot. I'm turning the AC back on. So I'll see you guys on the water next time. Peace.